In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play GTA roleplay here on a PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you could really use whatever you'd like. And essentially just go ahead and search for fivem, spelled exactly like that. Hit enter and go to the first page where you're going to be prompted to download the client. So go ahead and select that, and this is going to pop up with the page that looks like this. Hit sure, I agree, and then it's going to download the fivem.exe file. Go ahead and open that up. And I do want to say while this is opening up that fivem is completely free and allowed by Rockstar, but it's going to begin downloading fivem for you. And you're going to want to make sure before you open up fivem that you do have GTA 5 installed on your PC. It doesn't matter whether you have it on Steam, Epic Games, or the Rockstar Games Launcher. However, keep in mind you are going to need the legacy version of GTA 5. It's not going to work with the enhanced version, so make sure that you have the legacy version installed. But once fivem is downloaded, go ahead and open it up, and whenever it does launch, you'll once again be prompted with terms of service. Hit I accept. And then you'll see a link account all the way up here. Go ahead and select that and link your Rockstar Games account. And then go to this little play section right here and hit play. And then it's going to show you all of these different RP servers where you could go ahead and choose any one that you'd like, select it, hit connect, and you'll be prompted to create your character for that RP server. Just make sure that you are reading these server rules and following these server guidelines as well as using voice and chat appropriately. But that is it. That is how you could play GTA roleplay here on PC using fivem. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.